From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of dry air ruining your nursery's ambience? Introducing the Canopy Nursery Humidifier 2.0, a game changer for parents seeking a healthier environment for their little ones. This powerhouse of a humidifier boasts a sleek metal frame that not only looks premium, but also feels sturdy to the touch. With its smart tech, you can enjoy a whisper-quiet operation, perfect for a nursery where silence is golden. The noise cancel feature is so effective, you'll barely notice it's on, except for the soothing sound of gentle misting that fills the air. The Canopy Nursery Humidifier 2.0 is well reviewed and a popular choice among parents, and for good reason. Its unique smart airflow technology ensures that the humidifier runs until the water tank is completely dry, thanks to smart sensors that monitor the moisture levels. This technology, combined with a proprietary filter that catches metals, minerals, and dust before evaporation, provides a clean and pure mist that you can feel on your skin, leaving it soft and supple. The high capacity of this humidifier means you can go longer between refills, making it perfect for large nurseries or for use over extended periods. Using the Canopy Nursery Humidifier 2.0 in your nursery can make a huge difference in your child's comfort and health. Imagine your little one sleeping peacefully, surrounded by a gentle, cool mist that eases their breathing and soothes their skin. This humidifier is a must-have for any parent looking to create a comfortable and healthy environment for their child. With its advanced features and sleek design, it's no wonder the Canopy Nursery Humidifier 2.0 is a top choice for many. So why wait? Give your child the gift of clean air and a comfortable nursery today with the Canopy Nursery Humidifier 2.0. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.